When it comes to animals, there are some that are absolutely massive while others are so tiny you might need a microscope to see them. Take a look at these big and small animals that will amaze you. Giant squid vs. button squid. The giant squid is one of the largest invertebrates on our planet with eyes the size of basketballs and tentacles as long as a school bus. On the other hand, the button squid is so tiny you can easily fit several of them inside a single eye of a giant squid. Blue whale vs. Pedicipris progenetica. The blue whale is the largest animal on the planet, reaching up to 30 meters in length and weighing over 190 tons. It is so massive that a human can stand inside its mouth and wouldn't even be able to touch the top of its head. In contrast, the Pedicipris progenetica is the smallest vertebrate on the planet. This tiny fish measures only 7.9 millimeters in length and weighs less than a gram. Giraffe vs. Pygmy marmoset. The giraffe is the tallest animal on land, reaching up to 19 feet in height. Its long neck allows it to browse high up in trees, far from the reach of other animals. In comparison, the pygmy marmoset is one of the smallest monkeys in the world. These adorable creatures typically measure around 2 inches in length and weigh just a few ounces. African bush elephant vs. African dwarf frog. The African bush elephant is the largest of the 3 living species of African elephants and the largest terrestrial animal in Africa. These majestic creatures can grow up to 13 feet tall and weigh up to 6 tons. On the other hand, the African dwarf frog is one of the smallest frogs in the world, measuring only about an inch long and weighing less than an ounce. Emperor penguin vs. Little blue penguin. Emperor penguins are the tallest and heaviest of the penguin species, standing up to 4 feet tall and weighing up to 90 pounds. They live in the harshest conditions on Earth and must endure blizzards and freezing temperatures. In contrast, the little blue penguin is the smallest penguin species, measuring only about 16 inches tall and weighing just over 2 pounds. They live in New Zealand and Australia where they nest in burrows during the day and forage for food at night. Saltwater crocodile vs. Pygmy jerboa. The saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile on Earth, growing up to 6 meters in length and weighing over 1 ton. They have a wide distribution across coastal areas of the Indian Ocean and are known for their powerful bite. On the other hand, the pygmy jerboa is one of the smallest mammals in the world. These tiny creatures measure only about 2 inches in length and weigh less than an ounce. Hippopotamus vs. bumblebee. The hippopotamus is one of the largest land mammals in Africa, weighing up to 3 tons and measuring 16 feet long. Despite its massive size, it's surprisingly agile and can run up to 30 miles per hour. On the other hand, the bumblebee is one of the smallest insects in the world, measuring only a few millimeters in length and weighing less than a milligram. Lion vs. bee. The lion is the second largest cat after the tiger and is known as the king of the jungle. These majestic creatures can weigh up to 500 pounds and measure over 8 feet in length. On the other hand, the bee is one of the smallest insects in the world, measuring only a few millimeters in length and weighing less than a milligram. Ostrich vs. bumblebee. Ostriches are the largest and heaviest bird species on the planet, standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing over 300 pounds. They can run up to 43 miles per hour and kick with such force that they can kill a lion. On the other hand, the bumblebee is one of the smallest insects in the world, measuring only a few millimeters in length and weighing less than a milligram. Rhinoceros vs. Midge. The rhinoceros is one of the largest land mammals in Africa, weighing up to 6 tons and measuring 12 feet long. They have thick skin that is over an inch thick in some areas and is almost completely devoid of hair. On the other hand, the midge is one of the smallest insects in the world, measuring only a few millimeters in length and weighing less than a milligram. Giant tortoise vs. dust mite. Giant tortoises are some of the largest reptiles in the world, measuring up to 4 feet long and weighing over 500 pounds. They can live up to 100 years and are known for their longevity. On the other hand, the dust mite is one of the smallest arachnids in the world, measuring only a few millimeters in length and weighing less than a milligram. It's mind-boggling to think that these tiny creatures exist alongside such massive animals on our planet. Nature is full of wonders, and these amazing creatures are a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. So next time you're feeling small, just remember there's always something smaller and something bigger out there. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.